Hello everyone, welcome to today's vlog. For today's vlog I'm going to decorate for Ramadan, and yeah, I would like to share with you guys. And before I start decorating, I am gonna show you guys where I got everything. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. سلام دوستا، I hope همگی در خوب باشین. دی vlog امروز به خاطر رمضان یگان چیزا را جور میکنم and خواستم کامرای شما شیر کنم. I hope که خوشتون بیاد. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, and اگر این ویدیو خوشتون آمد, give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So the first item that I'm gonna show you guys is this. It's from IKEA. I'm just gonna use this for the table. These are the lights that I got from IKEA. I haven't opened it yet, but I'm gonna open and decorate and show you guys. And also this is from IKEA as well. But this one is from last year. I'm going to use it again. I still love it. I have two of these from IKEA as well, and I have these candles that I'm going to use for this. It's from IKEA as well, and also this one I got it from IKEA. So the next time that I'm gonna show you guys is this. This is from Winners, and what else I got from Winners is super adorable candle. It is Ramadan theme, so I got this from Winners. Love the scent. This one is from IKEA, but this is from last year. Yeah, I'm gonna use this. This is from Winners. I'm gonna use this one. And I have these other candles. These are from Costco actually. I have all of them. I'll show you guys in a little bit. And I'm just gonna use this corner for praying. So let me show you guys the before. این چیزایی که براتون نشون دادم اینا میاکلش از هفتش از IKEA هستم، Winners and Costco. این چیزا استفاده میکنم که برای رمضان یا دکوریت کنم. And اینی کورنر هست، اینجا را برای جای نماز تیار میکنم، جور میکنم. So yeah, let's go ahead and get it started. I hope you enjoy it. So this is اینی as before. So this is the before. This is how it looks. That's the floor. This is the little corner که ما برای جای نماز تیار میکنم. Place to pray during Ramadan. And yeah, this is how it looks. I just put this. Yeah, this was from last year as well as چی گرفته بودم Winners.